good one. Check this bad boy out. Look at this damn thing. Wow. Look at that star up top. Guys, they're like moving stars. Look at this. Yeah, and by the way, for those talking satellites, this is not a satellite. It's moving at a downward angle. Okay, they move in straight lines, and this thing is screaming. By the way, here's a plane. Where's the plane at? Where's the plane? Okay, there's the plane that you hear. And then look at this bad boy. Just screaming out of nowhere. Look at this. Maybe that's why we got the choppers out now, folks. Wow, ML3, Eyes of the Skies. Can't nobody mess with me. I'm the best doing this. What is that? Yeah, so just so everyone's aware, let's back it up. Started over here, middle of the moon, and moved all the way up this way. Okay? Not a satellite. Don't even, now it's falling. Unbelievable. ML3, Eyes of the Skies. Like, comment, subscribe. What are we doing? Now it's fading away.